Evolution has produced an astonishing variety of life forms, from birds that soar through the sky to creatures that thrive in extreme environments. But while nature is undeniably creative, it isn't boundlessly inventive. Why don't humans grow wings? Why are there no animals with wheels or five-legged cats? In this exploration, we uncover the limits of evolution's creativity and learn why some traits are impossible to evolve. From physical constraints to fitness landscapes and the role of environmental pressures, this journey reveals that evolution is shaped by challenges and trade-offs. Instead of looking at what nature hasn't built, let's marvel at the remarkable adaptations evolution has achieved. Evolution is not infinitely creative. Certain traits, like humans with wings, animals with wheels, or laser turret zebras, are impossible. Understanding the limits of evolution helps us learn how it works. Why some traits don't evolve. Physical limitations. Wheels in animals. Wheels would need to be physically separated from the body, making it impossible to connect nerves or blood vessels. Wheels are only advantageous in specific terrains, much like camels replaced wheeled vehicles in certain regions. Propellers in fish. Fish fins are more efficient than propellers for movement, so evolution never developed propellers in aquatic animals. Fitness landscape. Evolution moves toward higher fitness, but it can't go through valleys, temporary disadvantages to reach a better trait. Local optima organisms often get stuck at good enough solutions, for example, the human eye with its blind spot, instead of evolving a perfect version. Example, human wings. Evolving wings requires every step to provide a fitness advantage. Intermediate wing hands would reduce fitness by making tool use harder. Environmental influence on evolution is a fascinating topic. Traits only evolve if they provide a survival advantage, a concept known as selection pressure. For example, dodos had no defense mechanisms because they never faced predators before encountering humans. And let's not forget about physical constraints. Gravity and the square cube law limit the size of animals on land, which explains why enormous creatures like whales can only live in water. Unique evolutionary paths and phenotypes. Some animals evolved functionally odd limbs. Dolphins, for instance, have three-limbed movement using their tail and two fins. And then there are kangaroos and monkeys who use their tails as fifth limbs. Evolution sometimes defies our expectations, like spiders that eat plants or animals with radial symmetry, such as starfish. Speculation on evolution's future. While some traits, like humans growing wings, are unlikely, evolution could surprise us in other ways over time. Traits we now consider common, like flying insects or land animals, might have seemed impossible millions of years ago. The role of physics in evolutionary constraints. The tallest possible tree height is limited to around 130 meters due to gravity and water flow constraints. Higher oxygen levels in the past allowed insects to grow larger, like dragonflies the size of birds. Conclusion: appreciating nature's achievements. While certain traits remain impossible, evolution has achieved remarkable feats through creative adaptations. Instead of focusing on what evolution hasn't done, we should marvel at what it has created.